Welcome to LiveChat University. Today we will walk you through setting up LiveChat for your Shopify store. Let's go through the installation. Log into your Shopify account and go to the Shopify App Store. Search for LiveChat and choose the LiveChat app. Click Install and confirm by selecting Install again. You will then see the LiveChat sign-up page. Create your account by entering your business email and password. If you already have a LiveChat account, select Login in the top right corner and sign in with your existing credentials. On the next page, go to the top and choose your store from the drop-down. Then select Add Chat Widget. This is your control center. You can always find it later in Apps, then Your Apps, then Shopify Settings. After that, Shopify will redirect you to the theme editor. All you need to do is click Save in the top right corner to activate the widget. And that's it. Here you can turn the widget on or off using the toggle on the left and preview its appearance on the right. Once the widget is live, you can adjust its appearance and behavior by selecting LiveChat Customization. To display the widget on the checkout and thank you pages, enable it through your LiveChat admin. Go to Apps and select Shopify, then open Settings. Select the option that directs you to your Shopify checkout editor. Open Apps again and press the plus button to install the widget on the checkout page. And finally, back in your LiveChat dashboard, you will also find the sales tracker. When enabled, it lets you track all of the chats that contributed to a sale. That is your overview of LiveChat for Shopify. LiveChat can be added to any number of your stores or websites, keeping all conversations organized in one account. If you need help at any point, visit LiveChat and start a conversation with our team. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.